Oh, damn. Bam. Already caught that one. See if I can find a new fish. No, I don't see no new fish. What's today? Today is Thursday. Thursday. Oh, look at you, little forehead. Come on, little forehead. Oh, bottom. Ooh, look at that. Look at that forehead. Ooh. All right. I guess I can catch this one. Yes, I did. Oh, Lord Jesus. Excuse me. I got a little big forehead. Thursday. It's Beacon Golf. I don't see no other fish over yonder. Damn it. Guess I just catch all the fish. Oh, my dram jet. Ah, oh Lord. Had to hold my breath for a minute. Oh no, 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 no. I'm gonna try this again, buddy. We gonna switch and flick, sucker. Come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. Come on, fishy. Fishy be acting like some meows. To be farting now. Fart on the side of me, woman. All right, and we. Come on now. Go ahead and catch these crowns, baby. Come on, get these. Come on. Come on, you skank. Oh, I guess you don't. Nuts. I'm fishing. Yep, damn right. No, you got school in the morning. No. In the name of Jesus, no. Tia, leave me alone. Tia, you got school in the morning. Go to bed. Reach behind your back for the fishing rod. There you go. Oh, man. Grab it, and put it in your pouch. Grab it. There you go. Okay, put it in your pouch. Uh oh. Try again. Just, there you gotta reel it in. Pull back and forth with your hand, like this. Yeah, you can get it on the boat. Oh, Jesus. Okay, gotta walk away from that. Can't talk to no kid all day. Let it go. Let it go. Come on, Sugarfoot. Get these nice crayons. That's how you reel them in, y'all. And splotcher. Got him. Oh, look at that. And they cockeyed and beautiful. I'm trying to catch every fish, even though I already did. Just catching the fish to make some chochos, y'all. Just making some chochos. catch the smallest little fish on here. Go ahead and catch some crabs, baby. Come on, there you go. Come on. Yeah, no, look at that little fishy. Looks like a cousin of mine. I don't know. Can't put my finger on it. As you know, I don't have no cockeyed cousins. Never mind. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming. And get big lips. Come on, big lip. I guess I didn't throw it out far enough then. Come on, big lip. Come on, big lip. Now, come on, move your shit out my way. Damn kid, there we go. Come on, yoink. Come on, reel him in. Reel him in. Come on, big lip. Come on, big lip. Come on, big lip. Ooh, look at that whopper there. Boy, that's at least probably like 200 pounds of tuna fish sandwiches, fried fish, ball fish, flayed, sauteed. All right. Catch some more fish before I catch this in. Come on, buddy. Yoink, 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 yoink. Oh, yeah. Cut that up. Put that on the grill. Yeah. Look at Dory. Oh, you so cute. Until I catch you. Yoink, yoink, yoink. Yoink. Come on, Dory. Come on. You finna keep swimming in my bucket. Oh, yoink, 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 yoink. Just keep swimming. All right, I'm finna catch forehead again. Come on, forehead. Till it's time to catch the biggest fish. Come on, head. Oh, yoink, 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 yoink. Oh, ain't that all bit? Come on now, come on, fool. No, you going the wrong way, fool. And swish and flick. Come on, fool, you know you want it. Dang. No, fishes out here slow nowadays. Dang, get your cockeyed ass over here. Come on. Yoink, come on. Yoink, 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 yoink. No, don't, no. No, come on. Double the points getting you, bruh. Yeah, yeah. Let me get Finding Nemo. Oh dear, bloody hell. Went too far, did I, mate? Oh, never mind. Got me a bugger. Yoink, 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 yoink. Come on, baby. Come on, Sugarfoot. Come on, there you go. Come on this way, honey. Mm. You must be baby. Ooh, sweet damn. Ooh, okay. Don't wanna close my eyes. Don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. Come on, Finding Nemo. Come on. Here we go. Oh yeah, look at you. Beautiful. You good nice feel. All right. Other type of achievements. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Y'all can go there and there if you want to. I'm making a wish. What if I throw my line down there? Throw it down there. Come on, go down there. Go down there. Damn. It ain't gonna go. Okay, that's fine. All right. 58 more minutes until the new fish. I might not be on this game that long. I'll come back for a part 2. Ooh, what's up, Big Lip? My nigga, I seen your brother. He out there in the bayou, baby. Boy, he out with them stanky skanks and them alligators. See them that gator tail good. Put that on the grill sauteed. You know what I'm talking about? You know, souffle, fried up. What? Really? I got one of those, bro. I'm gonna cash that in too. Get this. Stick that up there. Ching! And let's see how many coins I got. Look, I can't see you. Got that much. So what can I buy? I got that. That's how I get to the bayou. See? Twain? Who the fuck is Twain? Chum bucket. I wonder if I get that, will I be able to carry more? Excuse me, y'all. Don't worry about all that, bro. Just know I'm making my purchases. Mm-hmm. Light bulb, baby. We gotta get some new stuff on her. Okay, I guess. I don't know. Okay, check my book out. I got all the fishes. Yeah. Yeah, I need y'all to make this map a little bit bigger. Gotta go there to get to the bayou. Oh, really, buddy? Oh, there go the radio. To the music. What happened to the? I guess I'm done with everything in this game, huh? Okay. Get up out of here with these children. What haven't I played in a minute? Let's go here.